Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to be making beef Piralan. So about 2 tablespoons coconut oil, ginger and garlic are crushed. So we add our onion, curry leaves, the whole spices, tomato and green chilies, masala powders, coriander leaves, curry leaves, the meat, water and salt. Cover and let it cook. Bit more curry leaves, last of the coriander leaves. So about 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil. You can mix it. Our beef Piralan. Super delicious. Like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking. Stay happy.